Welcome back. I'm Anuradha, and in this video I'm going to discuss about state akin to sleep, SATS. SATS is a brilliant technique as suggested by Neville Goddard. Neville has discussed about this technique in various of his lectures. So let's get down to it and see through it through a step-by-step process. Step 1. Lie down, relax comfortably on your bed or on your chair and close your eyes. Step 2. Get into deep breathing exercise. Make yourself comfortable. Step 3. Relax and let go of all the thoughts of the day. Step 4. Get in touch inside with your silence and nothingness. So when you get into deep breathing and let go of the day, you will automatically get into your pure silent state. Step 5. Now imagine a scene that would happen after your desires fulfillment, which is your wish fulfilled state. Step 6. Feel with all your senses that you are already there. It's already done. And visualize with all possible detail to see, to touch, to feel through all the senses is very, very important. Step 8. Now repeat the scene in your imagination until and unless you fully into it and feel as real as possible. Step 9. Now drop the scene and make yourself comfortable and ease that it is done. This is one of the easiest way to impress the subconscious mind and get into sleep meditation. Now, in case you have multiple desires or multiple issues bothering, you can imagine instead of one scene, you can imagine yourself into a movie and feel the movie as an actor who is acting into the scene. Now, in case you are not able to imagine fully about your desired fulfilled state, in that case, it is very much recommended that you get into something very general. Get into something as reciting the affirmations like something wonderful is happening to me now. Instead of the specific scene, imagine good things happening to you and you are experiencing good feelings with it. The idea is whether if you are making it for yourself as only one scene which you are repeating or a movie or keeping it general for yourself, the idea in all the cases is to make yourself very comfortable and easy into the state of wish fulfillment. And then when you drop the desire into the subconscious mind to impress it, it's already done, because now you have a different state of mind. Now you are not the same level of awareness as before. You are a changed person, you are a changed being. So, welcome to your new state and congratulations for your wished fulfillment. Have a wonderful life. Take care.